Disinfection should take place once all cleaning and repair are done. Use an approved disinfectant and follow manufacturer instructions at all times. Apply disinfectant using either a pressure washer or a backpack sprayer. If using a selective coccidial treatment, compound producing ammonia should be applied to all clean internal surface by suitable trained staff. Formalin fumigation. Fumigation is hazardous to animals and humans and is not permitted in all countries. Where it's permitted, it must be conducted by trained personnel following local safety legislation and guidelines. Fumigation should be undertaken as soon as possible after disinfection has been completed. Surface should be damp, the house warmed to a minimum of 21 centigrade and relative humidity greater than 65%. After fumigation, keep the house sealed for 24 hours with no entry sign clearly displayed. The house must be thoroughly ventilated before any enters. After clean litter has been sprayed, fumigation should be repeated. Evaluation of the farm cleaning and disinfecting efficiency. Bacterial count and salmonella isolation should be completed at least once a flock to determine the effectiveness of the cleaning. If disinfection is effective, no salmonella species should be isolated. Ideal water